Right. I am a multi-asset trader and a quant developer. Today I am back with a new lecture. This is lecture 27, lecture 27, which what is the title today's lecture? Lecture 27. Today's topic is what are the put options? What are the what are the put options? Put options. Guys, already you know about option market. Okay, option market. Option market. Guys, you know what is the option market? Already I have discussed that what is the call option, but right now I am going to discuss about what is the put option. Put option. Put option. When you are when you are thinking that market will go down, you should take put option. When you are thinking thinking that market will go down, go down, you should buy put option. If you buy put option, definitely you have to pay the premium to the seller. Okay, and your premium price should be in uptrend. your your premium price should be, sorry guys, some network issues there. Your premium price should be in uptrend. Okay, guys, if you are watching this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment whatever doubt you have. I will definitely give the answer. Okay. Put option. Okay. What is the break even point? If you want to calculate what is the break even point, if you have bought the put option. Okay. What is the break even point? Break even point is equal to break even point. What option? Put option. Okay, keep it in mind, this is a lecture of put option. Okay, break even point is equal to strike price minus premium. Strike price minus premium. Okay, break even point is of put option is equal to what? Strike price minus premium. If you have bought the put option and you want to calculate at what level I'm going to be, I will be profitable, I will be in loss. Okay, then you can take this formula. You can take this formula. You put your strike price over here and put your premium whatever you have paid. That you will calculate that break even point. Okay, suppose I am giving one example right now. What is the at what level Nifty is trading? Nifty is right now 25 550. Okay, just take round figure 25 550. Okay, 25 25 550. This is the strike price and you have paid premium of, think about, 100 rupees. Okay, what will be the your break even point? 0 5 5 5 1 4 2 4 2 5 4 5 0. This is the strike price. This is the level from where you will get profit, and from this level you will get loss. Okay, break even point. This is the your break even point. Okay. Uh, if you are losing, okay, if you are losing guy, if you are losing guy, your loss your loss your loss will be someone else profit, someone else profit. Okay, guys, if you are getting profit means someone are losing. Okay, someone are taking trade against you, that's why you are getting profit. Okay, you have heard, guys, you have heard one word, that is a put seller. Any idea what is the put seller? What is the difference between put seller and put writer? This word, put seller. Put seller. One second, guys, sorry for the inconvenience. Put seller. Put seller. Put seller is equal to what? Put writer. Put writer. Both word is same. Okay, you can say put seller, either you can say put writer, both are same. And one more thing, guys, if you are buying put option, sorry, why is pointing is not visible, guys? Wait a second, facing a problem. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Okay, let's come back. What was the topic? Put seller. Put seller, you can say put seller or put writer. And if you if you have bought put option, if you have bought put option, put option, your loss will be limited till what level? Till premium paid. Till premium paid, and your profit will be unlimited. As simple as that. Okay, this is the this topic for whatever right now I'm teaching. Put option is same as कॉल ऑप्शन. ओके, कॉल ऑप्शन में क्या होता है, प्राइस ऊपर जाता है तो हमको प्रॉफिट आता है. ठीक, मार्केट अगर ऊपर जा रहा है तो हमको कॉल बाय कर सकते हैं, प्रॉफिट आएगा. पुट ऑप्शन में क्या होता है, मार्केट अगर नीचे जा रहा है तो हम पुट बाय कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये अपना लेक्चर यहीं तक था, गाइस. ठीक है, 26 20 जो व्हाट इज द लेक्चर 20, सॉरी 27. दिस इज 27 लेक्चर 27. ये लेक्चर बहुत ही छोटा था. अभी इसके बाद जो आप सारा लेक्चर है ना, बहुत छोटा छोटा है. टिल 41. ओके, बिगिनर सीरीज टिल 41 तक रहेगा. ठीक है गाइज, अगर आप लोगों को ये लेक्चर पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब, सॉरी मैं एक चीज़ और बता दे रहा हूँ इसमें चलता क्या है एक्चुअली। आते हैं ऑप्शन चेन पे। ठीक है, ऑप्शन चेन, लेट्स कम बैक अगेन फॉर few minutes. Let's jump to the NSC website. NSC option option chain. NSC option chain. Okay, it has been opened. Guys, you should make a PDF or whatever you have. Just keep with you that any file, any notes. In future, if you want to teach anyone, you can teach with my notes. Okay. Yeah, it's have been opened. Okay. What is this? Sorry. NSC option chain Nifty. Your light. Sorry. What is this? Hmm. Is there any problem? I think, guys. Sorry. Yeah, you can see over here, guys. Right now, this is the, yeah, we are on the right track. Just you can see over here. Here is a put option. Here is a call option. If you think price will go down, if you think market will go down, you should buy put option. Okay. If you think price will go up, price will go up, but very fast, you should take call option. Okay. If you are thinking price will move or price will fluctuate in one range or price will consolidate, you should not buy, or you should not buy call or put option. Okay, you should take writing, you should do writing. You can see over here what is the closing point of Nifty, 25,550. Okay, you can see this is the put OTM, this is the put ITM, and this is the put ATM. Wait a second, I'm pointing all of you. Okay, now you can clearly see this is what, this is the ATM price. Okay, this is white is area, what is that, this is the OTM price, OTM area. Okay, and this is the yellow area. What you can say, what you can speak about, this is the what is this, ITM area, ITM. This is the OTM, and again this is the what, ATM. You should work in ATM or ITM, not OTM. If you are buying call option or put option, you should take position in ITM or ITM or ATM, not OTM. OTM means what? Out the money, out of the money. Okay, ATM means what? Add the money. Wherever current price is moving, wherever current price is fluctuating, ITM is what? In the money. Wherever price has come. Okay, this is the ITM, OTM, ITM, ATM, OTM. Okay, this is the call option. What is this? This is yellow, yellowish color, yellowish area. This is the ITM. This is the OTM. Sorry, OTM. This is the ITM. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. चलते हैं. Then till keep learning and keep enjoying. और हाँ, like, subscribe, share, comment जरूर करो. ठीक है. Then I will back with next lecture. What is the lecture? How to hedge with options strategy. Okay, in the next video I will discuss about how to hedge. Okay, government did make this option trading, option market for trade. Government made has been made this market, option market for hedging only. Okay, but I don't know why they are trading options. Okay, चलते हैं, bye.